Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix the unsupported language error in Google Ads. First, verify language consistency across your entire campaign. Every part of your campaign must use the same supported language. This includes your ad headlines, descriptions, keywords, and your landing page content. After that, visit your landing page. The text on the landing page must match the same language used in your ads. If you mix languages, even small words, Google may disapprove your ad. If your primary language is not supported by Google Ads, you will need to translate your content. Translate both your ad copy and your landing page into a supported language, such as English. Next, check for special characters. Sometimes symbols or unusual characters can cause Google to misread the language. Remove unnecessary symbols and keep the text clean and simple. Now, go to your campaign settings. Under language targeting, make sure only the language you are using is selected. If multiple languages are selected, unselect them and choose only the correct one. If you are sure your content follows all the rules and the error is a mistake, go to the Ads or Policy Manager section and appeal the decision directly. Thanks for watching.